I don't know who you are, but I'll reach you and make you an online entrepreneur. What if I tell you I'll help you to create and launch your online business within the next 5 days? I'm a full-time online marketer since 2015, and I learned from my own experience that you need only two things to start your online marketing business. Number one, a highly converting product that people look to buy. Number two, a practically proven strategy to implement. I've created a mentorship program where I teach people how to create and launch their online marketing business in 5 days. You will join in 5 days of one-on-one private coaching call sessions with me where you will learn everything you need to know. The coaching call sessions will be like this. Day 1. We will get introduced and you will know the best affiliate program out there that I personally tested and found it worth recommending. Day 2. It will be a training session. You will know how you can optimize your social media profiles to get tons and tons of free leads from different social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and other. You will learn how to connect with your dream customers to fill your funnel, website or offer for free using social media. Day 3. In this session, I'll teach you another online marketing strategy. You will know all the software I'm using for my online business such as Canva, GetResponse, Tailwind Tribe, Hootsuite and others. Day 4. In this session, I'll give you my entire online business model that includes email marketing, course creation, funnel and more. Day 5. I'll help you to choose the most perfect strategy specifically based on your need and give you an action plan you will follow day in and day out. Here's a brief testimonial from one of my students.
Hey, this is Junter. I am an affiliate marketer. I am highly recommending Mr. Fahim's mentorship program. You know, when I started affiliate marketing 2 years ago, I was constantly failing. I tried so hard, but I couldn't make any money. 6 months ago, someone recommended Fahim's program to me. I was confused at the beginning whether to join or not. Okay, but I did join. He wasn't after money. He genuinely tried to help me understand the strategies and trends. Also give me an action plan. So if you want to join the program, do not hesitate. Join now.
Now the big question is, do you want to make thousands of dollars every month from your online marketing business? If you are and if you want to get $4,900 worth world-class training, products and bonuses on a flat 97% discount, click on the link below and check out the Millionaire Mentorship program. Attention, the 97% discount offer will expire very soon, so you should act right now. Click on the link below this video and check out the Millionaire Mentorship program.